Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix unable to receive calls after iOS 26 update. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and you have updated your device to iOS 26, and after updating your device you will see that unable to receive call or call not receiving. So in this tutorial I will show you that how can you fix all of these problem related calls. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, guys, you need to turn on and turn off your airplane mode for 3 to 4 times, and you need to restart your iPhone. And after this you need to click on general, scroll it down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and you need to reset your network settings. And after this you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. And now guys, you need to scroll it down, click on screen time, click on content and privacy restriction, and you need to remove all the restrictions from here. And after this your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, then you need to open your Apple Sport app, select your gadget, click on more, and guys, now you need to scroll it down. So guys, after this here you will see mobile services. Click on it, and after this skip for now, click on call, and you need to call at these numbers and you have to tell your problem and they will respond to you and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.